Hello everyone, Paul here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore an essential feature for businesses, our bankruptcies and lien search tool. This is particularly important for lenders, landlords, property managers, financial institutions, and businesses involved in partnerships or credit extensions. Before we begin, let's discuss why checking bankruptcies and liens is crucial. These records can significantly impact individuals or businesses' financial credibility and stability. Conducting a thorough search helps you make informed decisions and mitigate risk. Navigate to Find People tab and select Bankruptcies and Liens. Next, enter the first name, last name, city and state of the subject you want to check against the bankruptcies and liens. Then click Search Now button. Once the search is complete, you'll receive a detailed report. This report will provide you information of any bankruptcies and liens associated with the subject. This report will include any reported bankruptcies and foreclosure, city, county, state, and federal tax liens, plus civil and federal judgments, tax warrants, notice of defaults, small claims, or suits filed, the most current filings, debtor full name and addresses, filing type, judgment date and amount, count name and location. This information is critical for understanding the financial standing and risk associated with the subject. Regularly conducting searches for bankruptcies and liens is a key step in due diligence and risk management for businesses' operations. This is especially important for lenders, landlords, property managers, and financial institutions to ensure the financial reliability of their clients and partners.